Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to enable flash notifications on Samsung Galaxy A17. On the settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, tap on advanced settings. And tap on flash notifications. Toggle the switch to enable flash notifications. You can customize on which apps the flash camera will notify you. I choose calls, messages, clock for alarm, and Gmail. Toggle the switch to enable all apps you want. Toggle the switch to enable on-screen flash notifications, then customize which apps will be enabled and you can set a different color for each app. By clicking the preview button, you can choose the color you like the most. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. Have a good day. Goodbye.